Welcome to the Meridian Dining Room here on the Carnival Horizon. This is one of the main dining rooms here, and we had supper here on our Hawaiian night for our group cruise. This is not a ship-sponsored theme. This was only our group that did it. 45 of us all put on our best Hawaiian attire and went to the main dining room and had a great supper. Come on and join us here tonight and see what the food's like and what the fun is like when you're on a group cruise dressed in Hawaiian.
Okay, so I got the gluten-free minestrone soup, and they must have thought about last minute. We don't have a gluten-free soup because the vegetables are still partly raw. It's very tasty, but it would be a lot better if the vegetables were cooked. There's no pasta in it at all, so yeah, that's it.
That's it. I got the Caesar salad because I'm feeling like a king tonight. So, oh hell, Caesar, as I eat the salad. I'd order it again.
Okay. Chat there, Chip, from Sea Lake Journeys.
I've got me a big old brisket right here. That's a hunk of meat. Let's see what I can do with that. Look at that. Wow.
That was extremely
What
hard.
is that, a potato?
That's a potato. I would have never thought it was going to be that hard to
Look
cut
at
in.
that.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Woo.
Doggies. If it tastes anything like it looks, it's a winner.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
Grilled chicken. Grilled lamb. I'd order that again.
It looks really, really good. Once again, I'll order my steak medium. See what it is.
Will it be medium tonight?
I think it's well. That's not
That's closer to medium.
That's
yeah.
closer to medium than well. And I got mashed potatoes, vegetables, and a juice that is gluten-free.
That actually looks pretty doggone good.
Yeah.
Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks.
Yeah, this is closer to medium than I've had yet.
Oh man, that's definitely
Yeah,
good.
that's nice.
That looks perfect to me.
It's very good.
You order that again?
The juice has too much vinegar in it, but it's good.
Would you order that again?
Mm-hmm.
This group cruise was called the ABC Group Cruise here on the Carnival Horizon because we visited Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. Saturday was our embarkation day, and we all had a big meetup. Sunday was formal night, so everybody got dressed up in their formal gear, and then after supper that night, we had a Care Bear bar crawl where everybody dressed up in their Care Bear outfits. The next day, Monday, we had a Sea Day brunch in pajama party. On Tuesday, the next day, we went to Aruba, and a whole bunch of us, about 30 of us, went onto a schooner to do snorkeling with a private chef. That was a lot of fun, y'all. The next day, we went to Bonaire, and everybody went off and did their own excursions. And Thursday, we went to Curacao, where we all got off and did our own excursions there or walked around the port. Friday was Hawaiian night, which is what you're seeing right here. Went to the main dining room all dressed in our Hawaiian. Saturday was formal night again, but this time we all dressed up in our kilts. Sunday, we had to get off the ship. It was a sad day, but we had such a great time on this cruise. And stay tuned and check out all the videos we're going to have upcoming. Many of the people we had cruised with before, but many of them we had never cruised with before, but we hope to cruise with them all again. But now let's go back and check out some more of that great food that they're serving us here tonight in the main dining room.
Okay, y'all, I got baked Alaska right here for me.
There you go.
Don't give me all of this thing.
Baked Alaska? Bob said Journey's got, what'd you
The
get?
cheesecake and the gluten-free melted chocolate cake.
Okay. Let us know what you think of that. Would you order it again?
Yep, I've had it already.
So you know you'd order it again because you just did order it again. Yeah, I gotta try this baked Alaska out. Here. Baked Alaska. Is it gonna be good? I don't know.
It's good. Haven't had it.
Baked Alaska. We're in the Caribbean.
Oh, go.
Well, that ain't nothing but ice cream.
It's got thin layer of cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dairy Queen does that part.
Way too much sugar for me. I'll eat about 2 bites and I'll be done. But it's good. If you like rich ice cream kind of desserts from Alaska, this could be for you. Baked Alaska.
You'll never get that in Alaska.
We want to give a big shout out to our service team here in the Meridian Dining Room.
Now we put a face to the name so we'll know. I'll get your name tag too.
Sure. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, family. Thank you so much.
On a group cruise, you're going to get your picture taken a whole lot. Bruce right here from Ocean to Ocean Travel that you see, he is the one who booked everybody for this cruise. So if you're interested in a group cruise, contact Bruce at Ocean to Ocean Travel today. It seems like dinner in the main dining room on a cruise ship is just a lot more fun when you're hanging out with 43 of your closest friends. If you've never been on a group cruise, we suggest you try it at least once. See what it's like when you hang out with people who you get to know over the course of 7 or 8 days.
But we already had 6. So we frozen the 6. You're platinum. Platinum.
I'm carrying mine off.
What kind of mischief are you up to?
Trying to see
About the 6 and
be not a 1,
just take
not a
it
2, but a 3.
Oh, well, I like it.
3. Not 1.
There's
Take
the
a
lights
picture of
for
you
the
taking a
show.
picture of us.
My picture.
I'm taking a picture of you taking a picture of us.
It's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night.
As you know, they call the Carnival ships the fun ships. So here in the main dining room, you're going to get more than just food, you're going to get fun. After you've been in the main dining room all week, getting to know these waiters, well, you have a melancholy moment here. They're actually singing Leaving on a Fun Ship. If you've been on a Carnival cruise, you know the song. People holding their flashlights up and waving them. You feel like you miss the ship and the crew and the people you cruised with already. But don't worry, the fun's not over yet here on the Carnival Horizon. We are Sea Lake Journeys. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.